This is the part of the trail that you would have come out on if it hadn't been flooded. You'd come up this way. It turns over a bridge here and crosses one of the few working locks. Water's been let out. Normally there's a pretty flow of water coming through there. There's the old bridge. I'm going to go along the canal here. Down at the other end I want to see there's construction work on the bridge that crosses the Lehigh River. Hopefully that bridge didn't get washed out. Enough narration. Now I'm just going to go for the pretty view here on the right side of the trail. Left side's just a muddy canal bed. There's a white kitty cat that lives along here. Comes out through the low. I don't see the kitty cat. This is in my series of videos about the Lehigh Canal. This is actually part one. This is the first stage of the canal trail that you would use if you got on at Easton. And I have videos that go all the way up, about 8 miles up, posted on my channel, YouTube, 1bicycleddie. Afternoon. How you doing? You come here in the summer, use a dust mask to avoid the flies and mosquitoes and things like that. Right now I have on a full set of safety goggles. Keep this grit getting in my eye. Out of the canal itself, train yard there, and here's the water. There's water in the canal. This is the part they run the canal boat as a tourist attraction. You can't see it. On the right is the actual Lehigh River, so we have the canal. We're 25 feet away and 20 feet above the river. There's a trail down there. It's totally in the water. You can see a little bit of a flooded river there. Have a good day cycling. Train comes along. Train comes through here. Loaded with containers means work for somebody. See, that's a well-built embankment there. How you doing today? Good. stay alive on a bicycle. Really, you gotta keep them guessing. Gotta make the cows think for a moment. Motor's not too sure. The guy with 6 strobes. The rest of the vest is. And just a bicyclist trying to be visible like on an orange shirt. Best I can figure out, they lower the water when it floods. So raging flood waters don't wash away this embankment. This embankment's been here since 1838. That's right, 1838. The Lehigh Coal and Canal, Lehigh Coal and Navigation Company built this to get coal from the coal mines of north central Pennsylvania down to the markets in Philadelphia and New York. And coming up from the end of the first part of the canal, I'm going to see if I can run this video, take a look at the bridge. First time for everything. I've not yet been down on this part of the river taking this shot. Here's the river, flooded way up. You see it right there. And first time I've had my bike in the mud. So I'll clean those tires before I take it back inside, of course. That's the equipment. This park is a nice place. People have picnics here, as you can see. And hopefully, you can see that's the bridge. Beneath it there seems to be some sort of lattice work where they're hanging a kiss of concrete. I can see the broken concrete. Normally, if that was open, you would have went up the trail, gotten on the bridge. You have to walk across it because it's one way the opposite direction. And at the other side of that bridge, this Lehigh Drive you'd make out of left to go out to the Bethlehem Township part and what they call Riverview Park, so aptly named. Saturday, September 10th. Down there is the bridge that I would normally cross. Beautiful day here in the valley. Nice scenes up there. That's going north towards Bethlehem. This is quite an industrial bridge. It's 4 lanes and divided. It has a shoulder. Not much too long. But you got to cross this. I ride across it because it's faster than walking on it. I really don't want to be on it too long. It's a 26th bridge and it's leading into a major shopping area. So I'm going to go ahead and get off the bridge. The end of this bridge to go back to the trail. Down by the canal, you make a left.